Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a default reply in Manychat. This feature is incredibly useful because it ensures that anyone who messages you gets an instant automated response even when you're not available to reply personally. To get started, open your Manychat website in your browser. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Here you'll need to click on Settings. This will open up all the configuration options available for your Manychat account. Within the Settings area, look again at the left side panel where you'll see various sections. Find the one labeled Channels and click on it. This section allows you to manage different platforms connected to your Manychat account. For this tutorial, let's say we're working with Instagram. So go ahead and click on Instagram from the available channel options. After selecting Instagram, you'll see several settings specific to that channel. Among these options, locate and click on Instagram Default Reply. This is the feature that controls the automated message sent to people who interact with your Instagram account through Manychat. Clicking this will open the Automation Builder, which is where you'll customize your default reply. To begin making changes, click the Edit button. This takes you into the editing interface where you can modify the existing automation. Now click on Instagram Default Reply again within the automation flow. This opens up the actual message editor where you can input the specific text you want people to receive as your default reply. Type in your desired message, making sure it's friendly, informative, and aligned with your brand voice. What makes Manychat particularly powerful is the flexibility it offers beyond just text. You'll notice several options to enhance your default reply, including the ability to add another text block if you want to send multiple messages, an image to make your response more visual, a PDF if you need to share documents, a delay to space out your messages naturally, data collection to gather information from users, and many more options depending on your specific needs. Once you've crafted your default reply exactly how you want it, with all the elements you've chosen to include, click the Update button. This saves all your changes and activates your new default reply. And that's it. Your Manychat default reply is now set up and ready to automatically respond to messages on your chosen channel. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.